Welcome to another Bald Traveler vlog. Today we're going to be unboxing the Apple Airtags, giving my first impressions of them, and then talking a little bit about them as compared to a tile tracker, and then also the Chipolo tracker. So let's go ahead and get started on the unboxing after the intro. Welcome back, and please remember to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below. I'll ask a question a little bit later on, and I'd like to see what everybody's thoughts are on that. And by subscribing, leaving comments, that's the best way to help the YouTube algorithm present this video and other videos from the Bald Traveler to other people that may find it useful. So shortly after the AirTags went out for preview or pre-order, I went ahead and bought a 4-pack of them, and then I also bought some of the various keychains and bag tags and stuff. Not the Hermes stuff, because those are like way too expensive, but I got some of the Belkin ones that were also being offered at the time. So I have 2 bags here, and or a bag in a box. And then when I'm done with this and kind of give my initial first thoughts, then I'll talk about what I've got from Tile, and how I use that, and how I think this may compare and contrast. I think they both have their points and abilities. And then the final thing I'll talk about is, or I'll talk about it now, is the Chipolo. I have ordered one of the Chipolo 1 tiles, which also works with Apple's Find My Device thing. That's not due in until August when that comes in. I'll do an unboxing of that, and also then I'll talk about that item itself. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Let's see if I can get this box open without having to resort. Never mind, we'll get the trusty opener device. Remember, always safety first, kids. Cut away from the sausage fingers. So let's try to open this up. So we open it up, and we have inside the box, kind of packaged, are the AirTags. Pull them out, make sure there's nothing else in there. There are not. Okay, so set that off to the side. So again, I got the 4-pack of the AirTags. I also got them engraved. So let's open up the AirTags first, and then we'll open up what I assume are the accessories, and I hope are all the accessories. There we go. That's very nice. Pulls out. Let's see, we get the standard Apple stuff, safety handling, regulatory compliance, and a warranty. Who cares about that stuff with their bag in the box? And then it looks like it opens up, and then it opens up, and then you've got 2 on each side. Again, I got the 4-pack, and then let's see what it says. It says update to the latest iOS, which I've already done. Turn on Bluetooth. Pull the tab when ready to use. Hold near the device and follow the on-screen instructions. So let's pull these out. So these are nice. It's got the nice wrapping on it. I'm not going to pull them off right now. I did get them engraved. Each one is fairly similar. So this one here is, I'll take a picture of it and do it. But this one here is alien poop. And then this one is skeleton poop. And then this one is ghost poop. And then this one must be, yep, this one is unicorn poop. So we got the 4 poop AirTags, and everybody, my faithful steed, Nell, has decided to join us for this video. Nell, say hi. Oh, she's going to be quiet like normal. So this is the AirTags. They look pretty good, what I expected. They do have the battery that can be replaced, which is nice. That is one of the downsides, I will say, with the Tile, is that for the most part, at least the ones I have, the batteries are not replaceable. So you have to get new ones. And apparently, the only other thing that came is a Belkin strap holder. So apparently somewhere I am still needing another strap holder and a keychain. So the Belkin, so this would go on a, I'm looking to use this and put this on my travel bag, my luggage, something I don't want to lose. I'll probably throw one inside my luggage itself, but then these, my expectation is for these, I'll just put it on like my camera bag or computer bag, so that way I can track that one and know how it is. This is just an unboxing. I'll do another video in a week or so after having used it for about a week or so, and then giving you more in detailed and in-depth review. But so far, everything I'm seeing, it looks really nice and design. So on the flip side, and one of the things I was hoping that these would be a little bit thinner so I could do the same thing, but in my wallet, one of the things I've done is I have, in one of the pockets, I've placed one of the Tile devices. This has, I think, a 3-year battery on it, but then it has to get replaced. And so I keep that in my wallet so that I always know where my wallet is. I've also got a passport holder that also serves as my wallet when I'm traveling, and I can do the same thing. I can put the Tile in there and then I'll be able to know where my passport is in theory. And then the other thing I have, this is a KeySmart keychain, and then this keychain also has the Tile built into it, so that it's part of it, and in theory I can lose my, if I lose my keychain, then I can go find it again. What I don't like about this is that when this has a rechargeable battery in it, and when this battery dies, I don't know about it. The Tile app does not tell me, hey, the battery's almost dead, maybe you should go charge it. I'll go into the Tile app one day because I'm looking for my keys or something, or just checking to make sure it's still working, and a no feed, all of a sudden it's like, yeah, we haven't talked to your device in like a month, and then I have to go back through the resetting process because it seems that if you don't catch it within a day or two of the device needing to be charged, then you don't know. And so what I'm hoping on the Apple and what I've read is that these at least will tell you through the Find My app that, hey, the battery's low, replace them. And I'm hoping for the same thing on the Chipolo. And if that's the case, then I may just have to kind of switch things up and go to a different style wallet or something where I can put a tracker in it and it makes sense for the wallet, or just keep the Tile for the wallet, and just know to replace the battery every 3 years, and then for everything else rely on the Apple tags. But so that's my initial thoughts, kind of how I see it working with Tile. I think they both have the same place. I like the thin size of the the Tile tags themselves, and the Tile also makes stickers, so you can just put them on your device. But at the same time, the not telling you when the battery when the battery is dead or going to die, so you can go and recharge the device or replace it in a timely fashion. Not getting that notification is a deficiency, I believe, in the product on the Tile side. But I'll still use it, until something comes out in the form factor that makes sense to put into a wallet, so I can track a wallet. So those are my initial thoughts. And so I'm kind of curious, on your thoughts on the Apple AirTags, what you think about them. Are they overpriced? Are they not? For the price of the AirTags, the Chipolo tags were roughly the same price. I only bought one of those, simply because my use case is about 5 to 6 devices, so I just wanted to see which way I wanted to go on that. But the Apple devices, I'm like, yeah, that's probably the way I want to go going forward. And both the Chipolo and this are supposed to have replaceable batteries, so we'll see how these work. And when the Chipolo comes in August, hopefully it comes in a little bit sooner, and then also give me some real world experience against the Tile app that I've been using for about 6 to 8 months now. And like I said, the biggest problem I've had is that especially on my keychain, the battery's worn down like 3 times, and I haven't known, and it's went a month, and luckily I haven't lost my keys or anything, but it's still an annoyance. So that's where I am on that. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Remember, travel boldly.